Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can repost Reels on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write your comments. Let's get started. So we're gonna go to Instagram and find the Reels sign at the bottom. As you can see, we're starting to see videos. If you want to repost, you can do it a few ways, both of which I'm going to show you in this video. So watch to the end. The first way is to click on this check mark here. We click on it. Here we see the Add to Story section. We can click on that. As we can see, this video now appears in our future story. We can make it smaller or larger. We can change its location. We can also change, for example, the background color around the video. And we can also write some text. And we can also choose a font for our text. We can drag that text anywhere on the video. Sometimes the text can accidentally get behind the video. That's okay. We just need to drag the video away. Click on the text and put it back where it belongs. We can also make the text bigger or smaller. You and I can add here some artwork. We can add music. We can also add a location. We can mention someone. Yes, sometimes it happens that the video goes higher than our text or the mention. It's not a big deal. As you can see, it's easy to fix. We can also add music. Click on Music. Choose any song. We can also choose a specific moment from that song. Click Done. After you've done everything you want to do, you can publish your story. To do that, click on your story. It won't load much. Click on the first sign, and we drive around our picture a red bar. If we click on it, we can see that this reel appears in our history with all our changes. And the second way is to click on the three dots at the bottom. Here they are. This is where we can create a remix. Now you'll see the difference. When we click like this video appears in full screen. And that way you can pretend that it's your video. We can do all the same manipulations with it that we did with the video that we put in the story. So we can put an effect on it. As you can see, I've put an effect on it. We can also add in some kind of icon or put in some text. Text we can also choose font, size, color, and adjust its size. Then we click Next. Then as you can see, we have a function where we can view this video to make sure that we like it. Or we can edit it. And we can also tag the person underneath the video. And then to share that video, all we have to do is click Share and wait for it to load. So we're gonna repost this video to the page. So as you can see, this video has appeared on my page. Only it's supposedly my Reels. These are two very simple and interesting ways to repost Reels videos on Instagram. I hope this video was useful for you. Subscribe to the channel, put likes, write comments. See you later.